Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure to fix Deepseek not responding. If your Deepseek isn't responding, then what you could do is first thing first you could check the official Deepseek server status page to rule out the server-wide outage or maintenance as well. So you could also do is a refresh. So if you've opened up Deepseek, then you could do is just simply swipe up, close all the running application, and now you could also try a restarting device that should be able to help you out. Next, it could also be due to a poor or unstable internet connection. So you might want to check that out as well. So go to settings on your device and open up network and internet. Here you could either go ahead and tap on network and refresh it or restart or reconnect. That might be able to solve as well. If you're using any sort of browser, then you could also try cleaning your cache or cookies. So for that, you simply want to make sure to open up the browser, tap on the three dot icon at the top right hand side corner, and you could find the tab over here. So here it is. You could just close this up, and that should also be able to help. Next, what you want to do is you could also check for an update. If you're using an app, then it could be due to the outdated version. So tap the search bar, type in Deepseek on the search bar, and make sure to update the app to the latest version. Despite doing all this, if nothing works out, then last alternative is to either contact support or reinstall your Deepseek on your mobile device. That should be able to help. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.